So you can see the difference that it makes. Holy, I'm so excited to see this in post. I ordered the Sony ZV-E10 in black, and it does have the interchangeable lens, and I got the body plus the kit lens, which is a 16 to 50 millimeter, and then I additionally purchased the Sony 11 millimeter f1.8 lens for more of a wide angle view for vlogging. I'll use the kit lens to start with doing my talking head videos, and then in the near future I do plan on expanding my collection of lenses to better my quality long term. I also got the Rode Video Micro 2. This is one of their newest microphones, and I'm excited to try it out and improve my audio quality. And then of course an SD card, because this camera does record in 4K up to 30 frames per second, so it's going to take up a lot of storage, so I had to increase my SD card storage. So let's start unboxing the camera itself. So this is the little dead cat that goes on the microphone, power adapter, the strap for the actual battery for the camera, and then the charger for the camera. Okay, so the moment of truth. So here it is. My new Sony ZV-E10. I'm going to charge it. Now I'm going to unbox the Sony 11mm lens, one of their newest wide-angle lenses. Wow, it's so tiny. Now I'm gonna open up the Video Micro 2. While we wait for this to charge, I'm going to keep opening up the accessories that I got. This is, oh, the batteries, okay. And these are my ND filters. And then I also got a screen protector because I do not want my screen to get damaged or anything. And this packet was super cheap, and it comes with 3. This here. And they're ready to go. So I'm gonna also connect them. Oh my gosh. Oh my god, it's so tiny. Same thing. Oh my god, this one's even tinier. See, you move it. Okay, here we go. This is my very first video on my new Sony ZV-E10. I just finished setting up the settings and playing around with the settings, so this is what it looks like. I just turned on my Canon G7X Mark II. It's in manual mode, 4K 24 frames per second, and this is the look right now. So I just was testing out the camera and everything like that. So far so good. I now want to switch to the wide angle lens just to try it out. Trying this out for the first time. So, okay, let me try this first. Oh my god, so this is the wide angle lens. Are you kidding me? This is a dream. I can see so much. Wow. Oh my god! Wow! So I turned down the aperture to f1.8, and now this is what it looks like. Background is blurry. Set it down, have a quick chat of my new camera. Now this is what the quality is like with this background, and let's say I completely turn this off, it still looks really good. I also want to turn on product showcase, which I don't know if I'll be able to do, but this is what this product is, and it's, oh my god, look at that blurry background. I'm so excited to try out this camera more in depth tomorrow. So right now I'm recording on the Sony ZV-E10 with the kit lens and with the onboard mic or on-camera microphone. And I'm filming on the Canon G7X Mark II with, again, no microphones, just the camera microphone. Currently recording with the Sony ZV-E10 onboard mic or on-camera mic. Now it's the same exact setup except that I added the little dead cat protector to the microphone so that it can take out some of the wind. I have put on the Rode Video Micro 2. Camera is set to intelligent auto, no stabilization, using the kit lens. Right now what I want to test out is actually the ND filter. Currently in manual mode. This is with the ND filter on. Do you guys see a difference? Is the question. I have switched over to the 11mm wide angle lens, and it's obviously super exposed and super bright, but I'm gonna put the ND filter on so you can see the difference that it makes. Holy smokes. With the ND filter on, manual settings, I put it in intelligent auto mode. ND filter is on, background defocus is on, so it is to the lowest aperture possible. Hopefully that is not too loud. Image looks a lot better in my opinion from how it was looking right before. This is pretty much gonna be my new vlogging setup. I love background defocus and how it blurs everything out. This is gonna be perfect for like sit down videos and things like that. Let's head back to the studio. We are back in my studio. I want to test out the same things that we did outside, but I want to do them here inside. Same exact settings as the previous clip, but this one we have the Rode Video Micro 2. I am recording on the Rode Wireless Go 2 using the internal microphone of the device. I am recording on the Rode Wireless Go 2 lavalier microphone. I had a very specific list of things and requirements that I was looking for in a camera, because obviously this is a big investment and I want this to last me for a long time. So the first thing was audio. Audio is super important. I really wanted to level up my audio for my YouTube channel. So it was really important to me that the camera that I chose had the ability for me to connect external microphones, whether it would be like this one here, the Rode Wireless Go 2 receiver, or the shotgun mic that is on top of this one right now. I wanted to have that flexibility. So this camera checked that box. I wanted it to have a flip camera as well, because most of the videos that I do are vlogs, so obviously that having a flip out screen is super important to me. But I also wanted a camera that was not only good for vlogs but for sit down videos like this, because I do want to start doing more of talking head videos. Having the interchangeable lens allowed me the flexibility to switch out between lenses that are great for talking head videos or lenses that are great for vlogging. For example, like when you're doing talking head videos, you really want that bokeh effect, it's what they call it, where you have a blurry background. And with a vlog, I was looking for a wide angle lens, or for me to have the ability to add a wide angle lens and that it was still great quality. It's a 4K camera. Another important aspect for me was, especially coming down from such a compact camera, was for my new camera to be compact and that I can take it to conferences, I can take it traveling with me, I can take it to my day-to-day work vlogs, and for sit down videos as well, that it's not too heavy. But a bonus for this camera is that you can actually use it for live streaming or for Zoom calls, for example. So you will get a high quality webcam almost, and you can use it for Zoom calls, for online recordings, and connect it directly to your computer. The only concern that I had for this camera was stabilization. Again, I haven't seen the footage, so I don't know what it's gonna look like and what we're working with here. So I'll keep you posted on that. Now, there are some other cameras on the market that I want to mention in case you are also on the market for a camera for your YouTube channel. So for example, there is the Sony ZV-1F, Sony ZV-1, the ZV-E10, and the ZV-E1. The ZV-1F is a point and shoot camera similar to the Canon that I have right here, and that is a very entry-level camera, quite affordable as well. The one that I would say is the new version of the Canon G7X Mark II that all YouTubers are using right now is the Sony ZV-1, and that one is also quite affordable. You get 4K quality. A lot of the features from this camera, except is a point and shoot, so you don't get the interchangeable lens. But that one is a great camera if you're looking to start your YouTube channel or creating content. Then there's the Sony ZV-E10, which is this one right here, and this one does have an interchangeable lens. It is an APS-C sensor camera, so again, it's not full frame. You get to change your lenses and everything like that. And then there's the brand new that actually just got released this week, the Sony ZV-E1, and that is a brand new full frame interchangeable lens vlogging camera. Specifically, they're marketing it towards vloggers and content creators. So that one, it's a little bit more expensive out of this, the most expensive out of this lineup. But if you're wanting to go pro, that's a great way to start getting into it. The last camera that I considered that it's not Sony is the Canon M50. Super popular camera for YouTubers, and it's an interchangeable lens vlogging camera as well. But that one, to me, when I was comparing the features, it didn't make sense for me for what I wanted, so I just decided to go with the Sony ZV-E10. I want to give a shout out to today's sponsor, and that is you. Seriously, I just want to say thank you so much for all your support throughout these few years that I have been a content creator here on YouTube. Thanks to your support by using, my affiliate links, by commenting, by liking, by watching my videos, by sharing. That really helped me out to be able to invest back in the quality of content and some other things that I have planned. So thank you so much from the bottom of my heart. Can't wait to continue to put out content for you, and thank you so much for watching all the way to the end of the video. If you found this video helpful or you enjoyed it, please give this video a thumbs up. And if you would like for me to do more videos like this, like tech reviews, let me know in the comments below because I would love to do them. We'll see you in my next video.